Mr. Kamalkant Bitle is an exceptionally motivated, result oriented, and successful Indian edu entrepreneur, coach, and solution psychologist. He has 29 years of extraordinary experience in dealing with so called hard and tough people and situations. He has been inspiring this Indian generation since 1991. He has served as principal, vice principal, lecturer, and teacher to many colleges and schools. He uses high dose of humor and common sense to entertain, educate, and empower his clients. People sometimes call him the biggest student of common sense. He's both sincere and jolly. Mr. Bitle has an unusual charisma to lead people to their desired goals. He helps people to find greatest within self and outside. He has crafted so many Indian icons' minds. In his counseling, people find marvelous results. People from every walk of life feel eager to be counseled by him. He empowers people to overcome their lifetime fear and idiosyncrasies in seconds. He has been working with and inspiring many government and non-government agencies like Jila Udyog Kendra, Jila Rojgar Kendra, government and private colleges, SADMAP, MPCon, NABARD, Satpura Group, ITIs, etc. Mr. Bitle has inspired lakhs of powerful students, business people, officers, politicians, housewives, and employees for living their greatest success through his workshops, seminars, counseling programs. He has total trust over the excellence of humanity. He's crystal clear about what he shares and offers. In his trainings, he explains even a complex subject like sex in a very simple and honorable way. He plays with his words, emotions, and enthusiasm for helping people to get transformed. People report like positive and constructive changes in his presence. His mission of life is to be the greatest in quality service to humanity. Recently, he is providing quality counseling for different severe personal issues like divorce, addiction, inferiority complexes, parental problems, job problems, etc. Whole India is getting benefits of his cost-effective and result-oriented counselings. Be ready to get extraordinary benefits of his life-changing trainings and counselings. If you want to get extraordinary benefits from his counseling, do not wait. Make a call. Have an amazing and successful appointment. Solve your problems. Go to the next level of your success and happiness. Book an appointment. This is the right time.